ऊपर सोचना पड़ेगा और सरकार इस तरफ बहुत संजीदा है, सोच रही है और एनसीईआरटी ने तमाम चीज़ें इस पे रिलीज़ की हुई हैं, जिसके बारे में मैं आपको आगे बताऊँगा और इस तरह से हमको इसको देखना चाहिए और हमारे पूरे देश ने देखा है, पूरे विश्व ने देखा है कि भारतवर्ष किस तरह से, कितनी जल्दी अडैप्ट करता है और आप सोचिए कि तुरंत स्कूल चलने लगे ऑनलाइन, बच्चे उस पे आ गए, अब धीरे-धीरे उस पे यूज़्ड टू हो रहे हैं। निश्चित रूप से हमारे टीचर्स को ट्रेनिंग की आवश्यकता है बिकॉज़ वो उसके उसमें उनकी ट्रेनिंग नहीं थी, लेकिन करते-करते भी हमारे भी मेरे भी बच्चे छोटे क्लासेस में ही पढ़ रहे हैं और मैं देख रहा हूँ, सर ने जो बताया बिल्कुल सही बताया कि एक तो पैराफर्नेलिया की इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की प्रॉब्लम है, फिर एक
हाँ,
टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग या स्टूडेंट को कैसे ट्रेन करना उसकी प्रॉब्लम है, लॉन्ग आवर्स की प्रॉब्लम है, बट वी आर कोपिंग विद दैट and there are so many alternatives which has been available in online, so we can cope with that.
I think very well put in. I think Major Harsh has put in a very concise form. Ki we have to be hopeful and not be demoralized or feeling pessimistic about things, because on one hand is an opportunity which is more effective. Technology has to be utilized in a better way. ऑनलाइन जैसे हम लोगों के कुछ बच्चे पूछ रहे थे कि ऑनलाइन का हम लोगों का आइडिया कुछ साल से है. That means online assignments have been given, schools have their websites in place, everything is put on the website. So online की idea लोगों को तो था, ये नहीं मालूम था कि इतनी जल्दी everything has to be utilized, and then that's where NCERT comes in, I guess. We have so much of facilities available. You're looking at the e-Pathshalas and the different e-books available and the courses which are online, which Major Harsh has really explained beautifully to us. We are having more and more viewers and people who are joining. They are in the meeting room with us. We have, I would quickly like to announce one more time that one has to register. Please register on the Fairgaze portal, the Fairgaze link, because soon our program is going to be streaming live on Facebook, on the Facebook page. So it's very important that you need to log in and then attend the Zoom meetings. Anybody who has a question can raise their hand, and I'll be able to see the participants and we can have a one-on-one. कोशिश रहेगी जितने सारे questions हमारे पास होंगे उतना ही हम लोगों का I think contentful meeting रहेगी, because it's important to make all of us, the educationists and the students and the teachers, more hopeful about online system that COVID has put us into and introduced us into. Indra ji, I think it's very important that we put both the concepts together. जो पचौरी जी ने कहा, जो हर्ष जी ने कहा, उसका सिर्फ एक और outcome निकलता है. And my question to you, Indra ji, is that what is your experience of implementing online education till now, and how do you suggest more effective way for online education in Kanpur, for example, or any other place?
yeah.
My greetings to all the panelists and all the viewers who are watching the program. And I agree with what Major Harsh had said and what Mr. Pachauri sir had said, that yes, there are also the disadvantages which we as a country are facing. But at the same time, on a very positive note, I feel that the connect with the students was important. And through online teaching, it is very, very important, because children are not away from academics. Children have a routine to follow, which we follow in school. More important is that they can also see their teachers with them, speaking to them, talking to them. They have a very individualized format for every child according to his or her capability, capacity. And regarding the long hours, which you find could be a stress or strain on the child, whether on his health, whether on his eyes, I feel that the schools have also planned it quite well by giving them short breaks of 15 minutes or perhaps a half an hour break, so that they come back on the screen rejuvenated. And here I would also like to say that it has really been an acid test for all the teachers, because the teachers have been preparing their lesson plans in such a short span of time. They, as sir just mentioned, that we were not ready or prepared for online classes. But at a short time, we've been doing well. And parents are very happy because even if you feel that the children would be away from technology or away from the screen without online classes, it's very hard to believe. It's so difficult to keep the children away from screens. So at least it is in a very fruitful manner that they are interacting the entire mornings with their teachers. They're doing their work. The curriculum is being followed. The syllabus is being covered. And I would also recommend to all the teachers, whether in Kanpur or any other areas, that it is so good to be connected with the children through online classes. It means a lot to the parents because I have got very positive response from the parents. They said that, you know, the burden about making the children fruitfully engaged for the entire day is not there. They have a timetable. They have their small breaks. They have their fruit break or water break or lunch break or breakfast break, and they're there with their work. And more so, the parents are always there to speak to the teacher if they require. So the teachers are also feeling that connect with the parents, which was missing, which was always perhaps once in 3 months' time to have an open house with them. So for me, I think it's a very good portal. But yes, as the Major Harsh has said, it is not a permanent solution. I agree. Nothing can replace school. Nothing can replace teachers. The physical presence of the children. We have the schools which are standing like huge structures. The soul is missing. The children are not there. So we understand what it means to be with the children, the emotions, the presence. There can be no substitute without teaching. But we are making the most of the pandemic. We all are restricted to our homes. This is the best way to connect. And thanks to technology, that at least we are connecting with the children, with their education. They're not missing much in whatever curriculum or whatever syllabus has been planned for them for the month of March, April, so that when they come back to school, parents will not have a grudge or parents will not feel that the child learned nothing sitting at home. So I'm so happy it's created a balance between education, between academics, and of course, a lot of time to the parents for creating or inculcating values in them, which they felt they never had the time for. And I would also like to say another thing is that what I was seriously thinking was that once, even when the schools reopen, online teaching will be such a, blessings for us to handle students who need more extra attention, whether they need reinforcement classes. We don't need to have them staying back in school. They can go back home, have their lunch, relax, and the teacher can have the reinforcement classes with them online. So this will be another great advantage to all of us because we're trained in doing it now.
Yes, I think, thank you, very nice. I think Indraji has put it beautifully well, that it is the new times, we are looking at the new normal, and it should not be a distressing concept. It is more of encouragement, and more parents are feeling more involved. They are feeling that they are in tune, in sync with what their kids are doing. And I think perhaps, Indraji, it would also mean that kids are taking a little more responsibility, a little more onus on themselves to keep pace and not miss out classes. So rahe hain aur jis sote hue tab on kar diya kyunki wo miss ho jati hain classes.
I would also tell you something interesting here. Sorry, I'm interrupting here. Something interesting that the child.
Just a second. I would first, Indraji, I'll come to you immediately. I have to welcome Balvinderji. He's been here. Sat Shri Akal, Balvinderji. Sat Shri Akal to you. Welcome. You are one of our esteemed panelists here, and good to see you here. And I would quickly introduce Balvinderji. You are principal, city coordinator, CBSE, and you're president of the KSS. One more time, welcome. Yes, Indraji. Balvinderji will come to you in a minute's time. Indraji has something to say.
Yeah, yes, I just wanted to tell you that few of the students also made a suggestion that it would be so nice if you're wearing a school uniform or at least a school shirts and badges and sitting on online classes. We feel the connect in the classroom. So that was a very good gesture I felt from the students.
Very nice. What a nice way of putting it. Balvinderji, I think part of it you must have heard us. और अब ये सारा जो हम कह रहे हैं ऑनलाइन चल रहा है, सब कुछ ठीक लग रहा है, थोड़ी मुश्किल आ रही है, लेकिन आपको बलविंदर जी, what do you think that how, in which direction are we going, and can we look at, because normally एक mindset होता है कि जब स्कूल खुलेगा, तो जब स्कूल खुलेगा क्या हम वापस से वहीं पहुंच जाएंगे जहां थे, या क्या चीज ऐड होगी? हम कह रहे हैं ऑनलाइन एक्सपीरियंस से आपको लगता है कि क्या चीजें ऐड होंगी इन फ्यूचर एजुकेशन? बलविंदर जी। We need to unmute Balvinder ji. He is muted. Please unmute him. Please unmute Balvinder ji. Balvinder ji, can you hear us?
Connected नहीं हो रहा Balvinder.
Yes, now we can hear him. Yes.
Hello.
Ji, Balvinder ji. One more time.
Yeah.
Good evening. Namaste.
Yeah, good evening. My best wishes to Fair Gaze Media. I extend my regards to Satyadev Pachauri ji, Major Hersh, Secretary NCERT, Madam Indra Collin, Director DPS, and Madhurati ma'am. So, as we all know, we are suffering from this pandemic, and it has a massive impact on the education system in the entire world. Around 1.7 billion students are suffering due to this pandemic. In 186 countries, we can say the education system is totally paralyzed. So the solution which is available during this pandemic time is online, that is distance learning also. So that is the available solution, which is effective, and I think majority educational systems, they are using that. And this is because they are learning during this time. Although this informal setup cannot change the formal setup, we cannot replace a teacher, but during this tough time, if the transformation of education, transformation of knowledge can happen, that is due to virtual classes. So, although there are some side effects also, as Pachauri ji has marked, that there will be strain on the brain and eyes, there will be effect on the health of the child. But because no other way is available, so this is the best possible way we should use. And see, as ma'am has questioned that what will be the future of schools when the lockdown will over. So I hope that it will take a couple of months. Hopefully somewhere in the month of August, we will be again back to the normal life. And because school is a very sensitive community, because small children are there, we cater from age of 3 years to 15 years. So it will be very difficult to take a decision that to how and when to reopen the schools. So once the government will reopen the schools, that time lot many precautions have to be taken care. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to control and take care of this sensitive community. But see now, at least a major we can say population of education system is now acquainted to online education, and they are now tech savvy, because when normal life was there, this big number was not tech savvy. Although we were using technology, we were using some social sites, but for the education purpose, very small percentage of schools and educational institutions, they were using the technology. But after lockdown, when lockdown will be over, I think that some schools will try to adopt it on regular basis or at least weekly basis, because it is a nice idea. It is a nice technique also by which we can remotely transform the knowledge, transform the education. So after lockdown, there will be one change, that the use of technology will be increased.
Wonderful.
Number two, if teacher is not available, because sometimes teacher is on a long leave, sometimes teacher is not well, I think in that case, we can utilize this technology and teacher can teach from home. So there will be no lapse in teaching. There will be no gap in teaching. So these two major changes, I feel, that will come when the lockdown will be over.
I think wonderfully put. Balvinder ji is saying that we are looking at technology working in our favor. Pachauri साहब को किसी और मीटिंग एंगेजमेंट में जाना है. उनके जाने से पहले मैं एक क्वेश्चन उनसे पूछना चाहूंगी, and then I will bid नमस्ते and our regards to him सब. जी, मेरा हम लोगों का क्वेश्चन आपकी तरफ ये है कि क्या सरकार के पास वो सब फैसिलिटीज है, या हम कहते हैं वो हमारे पास वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है मुहैया जिससे कि टेक्नोलॉजी, इंटरनेट फास्टर हो, हमारा जो हार्डवेयर चाहिए, हमें जो पूरी चीजें चाहिए रूरल तक जाने के लिए या सेमी रूरल तक, क्या ऑनलाइन ये हमारी कंट्री में इतना प्रावधान है क्या, आपको लगता है?
नहीं, हमारे यहाँ फैसिलिटीज हैं, और देखेंगे कि इधर जब से मोदी जी आए हैं तब से हमारे यहाँ वर्किंग ऑनलाइन ही शुरू हुई है। अब तो ऑनलाइन फाइलिंग भी हो रही है। फाइलिंग कोई अब मूव नहीं होती है, फाइलिंग भी इंटरनेट के थ्रू मूव होती है, उस पर ही मंत्री के सिग्नेचर हो जाते हैं। तो उससे ये हुआ कि एक तो डिले नहीं होता, दूसरे करप्शन नहीं होता, सब चीज को इजी हो रहे हैं। और नो डाउट कि आखिरी में हमें ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन सिस्टम को डेवलप करना पड़ेगा। इतने डिफिकल्ट है, लेकिन धीमे धीमे हम हैबिचुअल होंगे, और ये अच्छी शुरुआत हुई है। कि कोरोना का हमने जो बेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन टीचिंग के लिए किया है, नो डाउट इस प्रारंभ हुआ है, शुरुआत हुई है, बहुत अच्छी हुई है। मेरी शुभकामनाएं।
थैंक यू पचौरी जी। इट हैज बीन वेरी नाइस। आप फेसबुक के प्लेटफॉर्म पे हमारे साथ आए, फेसबुक से जुड़ के हम लोग अभी फेयर गेज में हैं, एंड इट इज नाइस ऑफ यू टू होस्ट, टू बी हियर। थैंक यू, नमस्कार, थैंक यू सो मच। इट्स अ प्लेजर दैट यू आर हियर विद अस ऑन फेयर गेज। सो पचौरी साहब ने एक और पॉइंट जोड़ दिया है कि बिकॉज देयर इज अ पॉलिटिकल विल, we have hope with the online education and the advantages that go with it. So
उन्होंने कहा था ना आपको जाना है, इसलिए हमारे कमेंट ले लिया।
I think due to some technical Madhumati phase off, so just give us 5 minutes, she will be back. So I'll ask Indra ma'am to please take this forward. Indra ma'am, if you are there, so please take this forward conversation, please.
All right. Yes, I was so happy to hear from Pachori sir that it's good that offices are also using this platform, and all the files are being moved in a faster, swifter, better way, where there is less of corruption in our country and less of delays and less of other known, I think, factors to each one of us. So education also is not lagging behind, and I'm so happy that we have adopted technology in a very positive manner, and the children are far more smarter, better equipped to handle technology than any of us in this generation, I would say. And besides, when we started looking at the softwares and other areas in education, it was the Khan Academy we were looking at. Thereafter, now it's the Byju's. And I can also tell you that even the Indian platforms are doing well, which is whether it is Unacademy, Toppers, Vedantu, they're really doing well. So I feel that it's good that we are catering to all sections of the society with students, whether they are in the rural areas, remote areas, or semi-developed or urban areas, and children are getting good opportunities. I would like to tell you that we are also running a school, underprivileged school by the name of Vidya Kendra, where we have children coming from the neighborhood areas, whether their parents are, vegetable sellers or washermen and all that. And these children also, with the support of their parents' mobile phones, are doing online classes. I mean, it gives me so much of happiness and thrills, because life is nothing but opportunities. And if we give these conditions, develop conditions for these children, they are also going to do so well. They're going to be we'll be going to feel proud of these children in the society, because we've given them the opportunities to grow and to develop and to do online classes. They're doing it with the help of the mobile phones now. And very soon, I think we'll be looking forward to even giving them computers, so that these children also do not suffer or do not know about online classes. Yes, there are challenges, of course, with the internet, with the other areas. As one had mentioned, that if there are 3 children, you can't give them 3 computers or 3, they're different classes and the timings are the same. How do you handle that? So that was a very good suggestion. And I'm sure that as heads of institutions, we're going to look into that also. so that the parents do not suffer, because children at the moment, parents are at home, so they're making the use of their mobile phones and managing. So these are also good suggestions which are put forth by them.
All right. So my next question will go to Major Harsh. So Major Harsh, are you there? Major Harsh, can you hear us?
Yeah.
All right.
I
So
can.
Major Harsh, so my next question is to you is the online way of teaching is the only way, or you have the other way? So any kind of suggestion you want to tell to the audience and the government officials?
नहीं, only way in what sense? In the present scenario, or you want to ask later on? Question is not very clear. ये आप आज के परिप्रेक्ष्य में पूछ रहे हैं कि आगे आने वाले समय के लिए पूछ रहे हैं? Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah. I think Major sir, they are asking for the current scenario, the time in which we are going on right now.
Current scenario to when you cannot go out, then it is the only option right now. Like I said earlier, कि अभी तो आप बाहर जा ही नहीं सकते, जब लॉकडाउन है, जब कोई कहीं बाहर जा नहीं सकता है, तब तो यही एक ऑप्शन है कनेक्टिविटी का. ऑनलाइन के वेरियस मोड्स, वेदर इट इज 1-to-1 or two-way communication or through WhatsApp group or whatever is available. तो अभी तो फिलहाल आपके पास सिर्फ एक यही है. आप आगे आने वाले समय के बारे में पूछेंगे तो निश्चित रूप से ये एक मिक्स प्लेटफॉर्म रहेगा, क्योंकि जैसे अभी आपने कहा कि आने वाले समय में क्या सिस्टम रहेगा, बच्चे कैसे स्कूल जाएंगे. तो अब आपके एक क्लास में ऑन एन एवरेज किसी भी स्कूल में ऑन एन एवरेज 50 to 60 स्टूडेंट्स रहते ही हैं. 40 वैसे रहते हैं जनरली, बट 50 भी हो सकते हैं. बट वो एक क्लास में आप सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग करके नहीं रख सकते, तो या तो आपको ऑल्टरनेटिव अरेंजमेंट कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा. स्टैगर्ड क्लासरूम्स रखना पड़ेगा, 0 to 5 and 6 to 8 and then 9 to 12, something of that sort that will take shape with the time, passing time. और उसमें ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन का एजुकेशन का एक मिक्स्ड तरीका कुछ डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. और अभी के लिए तो आपके पास ऑनलाइन ही है, और ऑनलाइन में स्ट्रेन कैसे कम करें, अब चूंकि बच्चे यूज टू हो गए. अच्छा देखिए, हम जो बातें कर रहे हैं ये सिर्फ हम 20 से 25% आबादी की बात कर रहे हैं. जो हमारे स्कूल और दूर दूर हैं, डेवलपमेंट और विकास बहुत तेजी से, कोई इतना ध्यान नहीं था, इतना जरूरत भी नहीं थी इसकी. एक जो जरूरत जितनी पड़ती थी उतना लोगों का और उतना यूज कर रहे थे. यूज टू हम हो गए थे, जैसे मैंने शुरू में भी बताया कि ऑनलाइन पेमेंट, देन आधार कार्ड, लिंकिंग आधार कार्ड, लिंकिंग योर पैन कार्ड, मेकिंग ऑफ योर, और करेक्शंस भी अगर आपको आधार कार्ड और पैन कार्ड पासपोर्ट्स में करवाना हो तो ये इजी हो गया था. आप घर से ही कर सकते थे, आपको लंबी लाइनें नहीं लगानी पड़ती थी. तो यूज टू हम हो रहे थे. और वो बच्चे, अभी छोटे बच्चे भी यूट्यूब या एनी अदर प्लेटफॉर्म आप देख रहे हैं. देखिए इसमें एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट और है कि अब टीचर्स के साथ पेरेंट्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बहुत लगी, बहुत ज्यादा. बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब 50% भागीदारी करवाना है, कम से कम जो बच्चा क्लास 8 तक हो. प्लस ये भी देखना है, अभी दिल्ली में एक ऐसी घटना हुई जिसमें बच्चों ने कुछ they went into some other site, site and all. बहुत ज्यादा से क्लास भी करवाना है, कम से कम जिसमें बच्चा न्यूज़पेपर्स में आया होगा, सभी ने पढ़ा होगा उसको. तो वी हैव टू मार्क कि लिमिट कहाँ तक है, और बच्चों को देखना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दे टेंड टू मूव ऑन अदर साइड्स. उसके लिए हमें थोड़ा अलर्ट रहना पड़ेगा. ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन में अभी पेरेंट्स भी ये नहीं कह सकते कि उनके पास टाइम नहीं है. आप घर पे हो एंड यू हैव टू गिव सम टाइम. और जितने भी स्कूल्स हैं वो टाइम दे रहे हैं, गैप के साथ दे रहे हैं आपको. as soon as market opens up, the bookshops opens up, then you get the physical form, and then homework can be given, or then it can be taught, and online it can be if there is some problems that can be discussed, or the questions can be through mail or whatever platform they have made, and accordingly teachers can compile those questions and they can answer it. So right now this is the only way. Abhi there is no other alternative.
So thank you, sir. Thank you for your nice views. So my next question will go to Mr. Balwinder Singh. So, sir,
Yes.
what do you think? How your school is doing during this pandemic? How your school is, engaging with the students, and what are your strategies? How you all are doing?
Yeah, sir, as lockdown was announced somewhere near to 20th of March, the first Jan curfew was on 20th of March. So immediately on 21st, we have started with the online classes. So as we were into practice of all these things in the previous time also, so there was not a big problem to us. And we were also aware of the technical glitches. So we have started our senior classes online teaching somewhere on 21st, and for the middle and primary also, and even pre-primary also we have started somewhere on 29th of March. So what problem we were facing initially, as we were utilizing 2-3 different platforms for this. One was Zoom, Team Link was there, and we were using WhatsApp also. So what I have observed initially, that it was very difficult to conduct the classes with the Zoom and Team Link, because when multiple users connect to it, it was very difficult to streamline the videos, and sometimes the audios they get collapsed. So then we switched to the WhatsApp only, right? So in WhatsApp, at least the interaction with the children is very frequent, regular, and you can also make a record of that. So this way we carried on. So teachers, they have, and see, teachers, those who are not very much comfortable with the videos, the recording of the videos, during this time, at least they learned it. So now what I have observed, that many teachers, they are making very wonderful videos, which are very effective, very educative, very interesting. So teachers are recording videos, they are sending their audio message, they are downloading the resources from various websites, as on CBSE site, NCERT site, and other government sources. A lot of study material is available. So from wherever teachers, they are getting the resources, they are downloading it, they are sending it to the children. Children, they are also interacting. So it was a wonderful time with the children as a virtual class, as a distance learning mode.
All right, so I guess our show host is here. So due to some technical glitches, she left the in between of the session. So I guess so yeah. So Dr. Madhumati Singh is here. So ma'am, are we audible to you now?
Yes, I can hear you all. Sorry, it looks like one of those highs and low of technology. Sometimes it is a blessing, sometimes it is a pain in the dot. Okay, well, good to be here back. I almost panicked कि मैं तो चली गई, अब क्या होगा इस शो का और आप लोगों से बात करने का. So I guess we are looking at the new normal, and I think बलविंदर जी की बात सुन रही थी. उन्होंने बोला कि चीजों को जो टेक्नोलॉजिकली है उसको अगर चीजों को सिस्टमैटिकली आगे फॉलो थ्रू कर सकें तो फ्यूचर में we can have more scope of combining the real time and the technological education that we are still going through. But tell me, Indra ji, what do you think? Indra ji, आपको क्या लगता है कि how long will the children be able to sustain the lockdown, and सुबह उठ के घरों में बैठ के मम्मी एक तरफ से देख रही हैं, सर के ऊपर बैठ के और पापा देख रहे हैं, and how long you think the children can cope up with this?
I think they will be coping up with their academics very well. Now the big question mark is coping up with mother and father all the time, monitoring them like helicopter parents. So that is a question mark, because children are very happy doing online classes. The reason is that they do have a lot of integrated learning with their project works, and they have access to a lot of the different, like Google search. They were the search engines, and also they come up with much brighter, smarter ideas. And I feel that it is such a delight to listen and to see the children being faster than us in finding out information about a thing, whether you give them some award-winning literature to read, some characters to speak on, correlate them with the modern time characters. I mean, they with technology, I feel they're doing wonders. Of course, as Major Harsh just said, that you have to monitor which sites they are going to and what they're doing. But
Yes.
that I feel was also there when there was no pandemic also. They were still doing it. So parents have to keep monitoring the children. They have to keep telling them. So that, of course, will remain with a little restrictions on their going through different sites.
Right.
But I'm happy that we are all learning. Teachers have learned. Parents have also learned. We are all very, very, I would say, adaptable by nature. That at least we are not sitting idle,
Yes.
thinking about
Yes.
all the negative thoughts and saying, oh
Yes.
God, what happened to education? क्या करें? सारा दिन बच्चे कुछ नहीं करते हैं. Instead of complaining, and at least they are so fruitfully engaged in learning.
Right.
So
Right.
I would say technology has a big advantage.
Wonderful. I think technology has its advantage, and we have to look at the good part of it, like we say, the glass half full. So as we are here streaming live on Facebook, that is on our Fair Gaze page, I would request the viewers to register on Fair Gaze portal so that you are with us on the Zoom meeting. And when you get on the Zoom meeting, if you have any questions, make sure that you raise your hand as a Zoom option within the app. And so that we are able to take up your questions in the Q&A session, which is going to happen very, very quickly as more and more viewers are joining us. Please make sure also that you put in your queries, your questions on hashtag Fair Talks. Please put in your questions and hashtag Fair Gaze. This is a regular basis. We are going to have regular Fair Talks on Fair Gaze portal so that our K-12 community is more and more empowered, not only the stakeholders, but as a total nation, we are progressive. While we are at it, I think Balwinder ji hai, Major Harsh hai, Indra ji hai, मेरे दिमाग में एक शुरू में ही एक क्वेश्चन आया था जो मैंने शायद किसी एक आर्टिकल में लिखा है और मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप तीनों उस क्वेश्चन का जवाब दें अपने अपने नजरिए से और आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन जी आप तीनों के लिए है, एक ही क्वेश्चन है लेकिन देखते हैं कितने अलग-अलग जवाब आते हैं. If wishes were horses, हम कहते हैं अगर wishful thinking हम करते तो मेरा मन करता कि एजुकेशन NCERT ऐसा कुछ सिस्टम निकाले कि जब भी लॉकडाउन रिकवर होके हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत रेगुलर लाइफ में आते हैं तो हफ्ते में 6 दिन स्कूल हो और 3 दिन ऑनलाइन हो और 3 दिन रियल टाइम हो. We cut a lot of costs. We are actually looking at the good part of not going to school, the school bags and the pollution and the buses and the बच्चों का स्ट्रेस. बच्चे ही स्ट्रेस हो जाते हैं बस में वो बैग लेके. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन जी मैं पहले मेजर हर्ष से पूछूंगी because he is the karta dharta of NCERT in our panel here. What do you think? Is it utopian or it is doable at some level?
Hello, are you asking me?
Yes,
I couldn't get the question. I couldn't get the question. There is some problem in audio. I couldn't get the question. Can you repeat the question, please?
I will repeat the question, Major Harsh. Surely I will. मैंने कहा कि जब कोविड टाइम शुरू हुए थे और हम लोगों का लॉकडाउन 1 चल रहा था और सब अस्त व्यस्त हुआ था, मेरे जहन में एक बात आई कि जब भी हमारा लॉकडाउन रिलैक्स होके कुछ नॉर्मलसी आती एजुकेशन में तो क्या हम 6 दिन स्कूल कर सकते हैं, उसमें 3 दिन ऑनलाइन हो और 3 दिन रियल टाइम हो जहां बच्चे स्कूल जाएं. क्या वो संभव है और am I asking for the moon?
मैम देखिए सबसे पहले तो I would like to tell you yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Am I audible? Hello, can you hear me? Okay. Now, these questions are being pondered over and what will come out officially, I think some statement has come that we have to make some alternate, odd and even kind of a thing. And it is practical also because I said earlier also that it is not like a switch of on and off. it is going to continue, and we have to live with it, and we have to make arrangements accordingly. And you cannot have the entire children attending the class one day, because that cannot be that is not possible, and especially for younger children. But then there has to be a mix of offline and online classes. You see the technical problem which we are facing right now also. So this children are also doing. And when you are running a class, then the attention of the kid cannot be diverse. And if the connection is not available, then he or she may not be able to concentrate more on the class. So the thing is that in the coming days we have to make a mix, and in this academic year, so I am sure that we have to go through this way only. Our infrastructure will increase, because government is also paying a lot of attention, and for online, lot of material has been made available. NCRT has not taken off for one day. All the faculty members were working through online, and that is why you can see that alternative academic calendar has come down within 10 days. And after that, after just 4 5 days, calendar for another 6 to 8 class also is online. And yeah, so many materials have been made available. There are so many online courses which has been made available. So the entire department is working for that. But
Right.
now when you are talking, it's my personal view that the classes have to be staggered. Maybe you can 2 days plan for 0 to 5, then to 6 to 8, and then 9 to 12 for 3 days, or 2 days and 2 days and 3 days, because the senior classes have got more practical subjects, so they need some time. And then what you teach them online, so when they come for offline, when they come for real classes, then
Yes.
those problems can be discussed and that can be sorted out. So this is the, I think, one of the way which is available and which has to be followed, because you cannot run the entire school in one day. That is not possible for coming times, so close interaction with the children. And one more thing, that
Agreed.
you have to make arrangement in the schools also for sanitizing the
Yes.
children when they come. You have
Yes.
to place, maybe you have to place doctors also at the schools, that you can see.
Right.
So because it is becoming asymptomatic, a person may not reflect also that he or she has got some problem. So
Right.
these all things have to be catered when the schools are open, and the schools have to look into this. Government, see, only government cannot do anything, and it is only with the participation of society. And this is a very heartening example to the entire world, that the entire nation has come together. There are some examples otherwise also, but
Yes.
then the entire nation has fought with this disease, with this
Ji.
virus. And
Ji.
that is why we are, I'll say that, I'll not say but I'll be very optimistic that we are in much better position. And if
Wonderful.
we come together, if
Ji.
we have to look for the opportunity, and we have come together like anything as a nation, and I'm
Absolutely.
sure that we'll be able to fight this. We'll be coming out of this pandemic, and we'll be coming back to normal. As I said, there cannot be any alternative to the school one-to-one teaching. But then right now this condition is like that we have to fight together. हमें संगच्छोदम संवदध्वम संभो मनांसी जानताम, अब एक साथ चलना होगा हमें। और एक साथ चल के ही हमसे लड़ करके जब बाहर आएंगे, तो अभी तो जीने की वो है कि अभी हम पहले तो जान है, और जैसे हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा है कि जान भी है जहान भी है, तो उसके
Ji.
लिए हमें साथ में लड़ना होगा। और
Ji.
बच्चों को एंगेज रखने का बहुत अच्छा, अभी आप सब लोगों ने ये बात स्वीकारा कि बच्चों को एंगेज इससे
Ji.
रखा जा सकता है, पेरेंट्स भी ध्यान दे रहे हैं। बच्चे
Great.
जब वैसे देखते थे तो पेरेंट्स के पास टाइम नहीं था कि
जी।
ऑनलाइन वो क्या देख रहे हैं, क्या नहीं देख रहे हैं।
जी,
अभी
जी।
वो एंगेज्ड हैं, अपनी पढ़ाई में एंगेज्ड हैं, और ये उनकी हैबिट बन जाएगी कि
जी।
अब वो जानते हैं कि अब हमको इसका अच्छा पॉजिटिव यूज़ क्या करना है।
बिल्कुल जी,
दिस इज़
बिल्कुल।
द वेरी पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट, दैट
Absolutely.
अब बच्चे इसको
Yes.
यूज़ करने लगेंगे। अभी
बिल्कुल।
वो जो सॉरी प्लीज़।
Gigi, what I'm saying is that we are having more and more, participants here who want to ask questions, and I think we are warming up with the whole idea So again, I would like to repeat, we are going live on Facebook, which is on the on Facebook Fair Gaze page. So participants, viewers, anybody who is watching us, please make sure that you register on the portal, the link, which is the Fair Gaze, and join the Zoom meeting. Make sure that you raise your hand in the Zoom app so that we are able to take up your questions. जी, ये क्वेश्चन जी मशहूद साहब का है बलविंदर जी के लिए, और मशहूद साहब जी बलविंदर जी से पूछना चाह रहे हैं कुछ। वो कह रहे हैं कि असेसमेंट बच्चों का जो होता है, अगर जहां इंटरनेट नहीं है तो क्या असेसमेंट कंडक्ट वहां पर कैसे हो सकता है, पहला क्वेश्चन। और दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि टेक्स्ट बुक्स का क्या रोल है जब ये लॉकडाउन है, तो टेक्स्ट बुक्स कैसे यूटिलाइज होते हैं इंटरनेट पर। ये बलविंदर जी आपके लिए क्वेश्चंस है मशहूद साहब से। बलविंदर जी, क्वेश्चंस। Is Balwinder ji, where is Balwinder ji? Are you there?
So I guess he is not here. So take up the next question, please, ma'am.
Okay. The next question coming up is, maybe I can ask Indra ji now about it, which is please in continuation of what we were talking. And in continuation is that is it asking for too much? That 6 days we have regular classes and 6 days we have online.
No, I think Madhumati ji, that's a brilliant idea, because it will also be a blessing for all the environmentalists. We'll be able to continue sustaining the blue sky and the chirping of birds. We will also be able to breathe in better oxygen. So I think that's a good idea, because parents and students have got used to online classes. And as Major Harsh just said, that yes, senior students need more of practical classes. They'll be able to come to school and they'll be able to, remove the difficulties or the doubts. So I think that is a good idea. So it's doable.
So yes, as Major Harsh said, that there are talks already. So which is like we say, you wish for miracles and miracles happen. Because it is true that when I have randomly talked to parents, youngsters, even middle school children, they are feeling that their output is much more. They are feeling more conscientious, more responsible with their study matters. The only difference is, of course, like we say, the real time. That is, interacting with their friends, the peer, and a one-on-one. But even here, I think to a large extent, the mothers are the happiest. One of them. You don't have to rush for the tiffins, morning tiffins. The children are protesting to get up early in the morning at 5:30 to catch the school bus. And yes, giving Mother Earth a time to breathe, And so, as we moving forward, we have people coming in.
So, Balwinder, sorry.
Thank you. So, as we were discussing, I'll start with the same question. Major Saab was discussing the question which was asked to all of three.
Yes.
See, education is not simply completion of curriculum or syllabus. Education means it's a holistic development. When we talk about holistic development, it means we are talking about the cognitive development of the child, social development of the child, physical development of the child, emotional development of the child. So this online system is a temporary solution unless we are in the homes, we are under lockdown. And once the lockdown will be back, when we are again in the same routine, I think that time we can think of 1 or 2 days of online classes on pilot basis. It can be a trial, hit and trial error. But if the holistic development we will keep in mind, then we have to think of the physical development, social development. Social development means children, they have to learn sharing, they have to learn tolerance, they have to learn giving respect. So these kind of things cannot be learned by sitting at home. So they have to be a part of group. They have to learn to how to manage the peer pressure. So these all things cannot be learned in a home and with the online classes.
Right.
And regarding
Yes, please. And regarding, you were saying something. Yes.
Yeah, the second question which was asked to me, that was related
जी
to
जी जी एक और
availability of
हमारे
books
एक
and
पार्टिसिपेंट है जी, सॉरी बलविंदर जी, कैन यू हियर मी?
yeah.
यस बलविंदर जी,
So
देयर, या
the question was asked that how the assessments can be conducted if
यस
there is unavailability of the technology. I think, see, we should not always depend because it's a tough time. So why every parent or every child is looking towards the teachers or the school? See, in every society there are so many teachers. हमारा गुरुकुल सिस्टम, it was like that only. हर गांव में, हर कस्बे में, in a small community there were teachers and they were teaching. And in that system, when we talk about the Gurukul system, there was a single teacher who was teaching all the subjects, right? So if this tough time is there in each society, in each village, in each town, in each locality, if there are a cluster of 20 homes, in that cluster, even you will find a teacher. Each parent is a teacher. So why don't we develop that new model of teaching and learning? हम वो भी तो कर सकते हैं. That is the second solution.
एब्सोल्युटली, बलविंदर जी हैज सेड इट ब्यूटीफुली कि जरूरी नहीं है कि कोई वहीं कहीं दूर एक टीचर, हमारे ही क्लस्टर में, हमारे ही कम्युनिटी में, हम इवन एज पेरेंट्स एट सम लेवल, इफ द इंस्ट्रक्शंस आर गिवन टू अस क्लियरली ऑनलाइन, आपको आपकी ही भाषा में, आपके ही तरीके से अगर वो इंस्ट्रक्शंस, आपके सिलेबस आपको दिए जाते हैं, तो you can as parents be the facilitator also, so that also happens. And while we are at this, we are going to take a few more questions, and yes, the questions are coming in. While the questions are coming in, I request the viewers to please give in your feedback, which is feedback #FairTalks, #FairGaze. Please make sure that you are registered on the portal, you are with us in the Zoom meeting, and feel free to raise your hand, and let's see who all are raising their hands. And
Till that time, ma'am, I want to raise one question to
yes,
our Honorable Secretary NCERT, Major
yes,
Sir, and Indra ma'am is also there.
बिल्कुल जी,
Well versed with the education system. Ma'am, see, sir, there is another area in the school, that is pre-primary. Pre-primary means the children of 3 years to 6 years of age. So it is this is my personal view, and what I have observed, it is very difficult to engage them online.
yeah,
Because small children, they have very small span of sitting. They cannot sit for 10 minutes, and it is very difficult to engage them with the technology, online classes. So how we can engage them during this tough time, and what kind of resources and activities we can plan for them for the early childhood education?
Can I answer that?
Yes, sir.
बलविंदर जी, आपने बहुत सही क्वेश्चन पूछा है, और मैंने अभी बताया भी था कि अगर आप एनसीईआरटी वेबसाइट पे जाएं तो अनाउंसमेंट्स में आपको दिखाई पड़ेगा एकेडमिक कैलेंडर, जो ऑल्टरनेटिव एकेडमिक कैलेंडर बनाया है, वो इन्हीं सभी बातों को ध्यान में रख के बनाया गया है कि बच्चे को किस प्रकार से एंगेज करना है, और छोटे बच्चों को, और उनके लिए मतलब पढ़ाई का ऐसा नहीं, आपको सिर्फ उनको एंगेज करना है, उसके लिए उनका डांस का प्रोग्राम, आर्ट का प्रोग्राम, जैसे बच्चे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं कि आज ये बच्चा डांस दिखाएगा, आज ये बच्चा गाना सुनाएगा, आज ये बच्चा पोएम सुनाएगा. So kids are very excited, you know. In fact, I have also got a very young kid. He's in 2nd class, and you know, he's being engaged like this. उनसे एक्सरसाइज करवाते हैं, एक दिन योगा करवाते हैं, पढ़ाई उसी के बीच में पार्ट करवा देते हैं, सुबह शाम आधे घंटे का करवाते हैं. तो इस तरह का आप अगर देखेंगे ऑल्टरनेटिव कैलेंडर आप डाउनलोड कर लीजिए. दिस विल गिव यू अ गाइडलाइन. एंड इसके अलावा जो अभी टीवी पे भी डायरेक्ट कर रखा है उन्होंने, 24 घंटे क्लासेस चल रहे हैं, और प्रेजेंटेशंस फॉर वेरियस क्लासेस, जैसे आपने पूछा है, ये भी दिया जा रहा है, और ये प्रेजेंटेशन अवेलेबल है वेबसाइट पे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. लेकिन इसके अलावा देखिए स्कूल को अपना डिजाइन करना पड़ेगा. दीज आर जस्ट गाइडलाइंस एंड लाइक आई सेड दैट गवर्नमेंट कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग इन एवरी. वी हैव टू कम अप. अभी गुरुकुल सिस्टम की आप बात कर रहे थे. अब देखिए गुरुकुल सिस्टम कितना बढ़िया था कि उसमें था डू इट योरसेल्फ रादर देन जो हमारे स्कूलों में होने लगा था कि आई विल डू इट फॉर यू और डू इट और ऑन योरसेल्फ एंड डू इट विद अदर्स. तो शेयरिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट है. और आपने जो कहा कि अभी वो आप संस्कार, जो संस्कारों की बात आप कर रहे थे, तो संस्कार तो सबसे पहले तो घर में ही सिखाना होगा. देखना होगा कि बच्चा क्या कर रहा है, आपस में आप कैसे रह रहा है, फैमिली में कैसे रह रहा है. और इंटरेक्शन तो आजकल छोटे बच्चे भी डुओ पे या जूम पे इस पे वो इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं. और ये इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो हमारा आज डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है, मान लीजिए अभी हम लोग इस वेबिनार में भी डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है, तो वी हैव टू लुक इनटू दैट एस्पेक्ट वेरी सीरियसली दैट अभी आप इसकी वजह से इंडिया में कितने वेबसाइट डेवलप हो गए. एक हमारा नमस्ते इंडिया है जो पूरा इंडिजीनियस है, जिसको कि हमें केवल प्रचार और प्रसार करना है. कितनी सारी चीजें हो रही हैं, शायद पूरे जनमानस तक पहुंच नहीं पा रही हैं. उसको पहुंचाना आपने जो बताया, मैं आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप लोग प्लीज एनसीईआरटी वेबसाइट पे जाइए, सीबीएसई वेबसाइट पे जाइए. एनसीईआरटी वेबसाइट पे आपको काफी स्टडी मटेरियल मिलेगा, टीचर्स के लिए भी मिलेगा, स्कूल्स के लिए मिलेगा और टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग के लिए आपको मिलेगा. इतने कोर्सेज अवेलेबल है. ये मैं केवल स्कूली शिक्षा की बात कर रहा हूँ. और हायर एजुकेशन में तो अभी बहुत सारी चीजें अवेलेबल हैं. एआईसीटी ने अवेलेबल कराई है, यूजीसी ने अवेलेबल कराई है, आईआईटी के वेबसाइट्स पे है, जो उनका स्वयं प्लेटफॉर्म, उनके टोटल 32 चैनल है भारत सरकार के जो चल रहा है. और इसमें हमारी मिनिस्ट्री जो है एक भी दिन, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आई मार्क माय वर्ड्स, एक भी दिन खाली नहीं बैठी है. लगातार इस पे काम हो रहा है. तो सरकार अपनी तरफ से तो कार्य कर ही रही है. अब इसको, इसके ऊपर निश्चित रूप से आने वाले दिनों में और इसका जिस तरह से मैंने बताया कि आपके पास एक ऐसा लीडरशिप है, ऐसा चमत्कारिक लीडरशिप है जिन्होंने आपको पूरे इस सिस्टम को यूज टू कर दिया था. और इसी यूज टू से हमारे टीचर्स भी यूज टू हो गए थे, पेरेंट्स भी, मतलब नॉर्मल पीपल वेर आल्सो यूज टू दिस सिचुएशन, मतलब द थिंग ऑफ यूजिंग द ऑनलाइन मोड. एजुकेशन में इसको लाना, जैसे आप लोग सभी लोग कह रहे हैं और सभी लोग एग्री कर रहे हैं कि ये एक सिस्टम नहीं बन सकता. टेक्नोलॉजी इज टू एम्पावर अस एंड नॉट टू ओवर पावर अस. अब ऐसा नहीं हम सब कुछ उसके हाथ में दे देंगे, लेकिन जैसे जैसे स्थितियां इंप्रूव होती हैं वो स्थिति लौटेगी. लेकिन अभी तो मेरे को लगता है, जो मेरा ये पर्सनल फीलिंग है और व्हाट आई कैन एनालाइज विद द सिचुएशन, दैट ये इस एकेडमिक सेशन में तो आपको इस ऑल्टरनेटिव सिस्टम पे ऑन एंड ऑफ चलना पड़ेगा. और आगे चल के जो आपने बताया, ये पायलट तो पूरा हो गया पूरे देश में और ये पायलट बड़ा सक्सेसफुल रहा. पायलट बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहा बिकॉज हमने बहुत जल्दी अडेप्ट कर लिया. आप सारे स्कूलों ने अडेप्ट कर लिया. आपने बताया अभी कि आपके स्कूल सेकेंड डे से ही स्टार्ट कर दिए इस सिस्टम को. तो अब सबको आना पड़ेगा. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लाइक फेयर गेज which they are doing and encouraging people to come and participate, and there's so many organizations who are doing on this. तो सभी को वापस आकर एक साथ चलना पड़ेगा हमें, और इस तरह से आगे हम बढ़ सकते हैं. और एक क्वेश्चन और किसी ने पूछा था कि किताबों का क्या होगा. तो किताब तो आपके पास अवेलेबल है डिजिटलाइज फॉर्म में. और मैंने बार बार कहा है, 2-3 बार ये बात कही है कि जैसे लॉकडाउन खुलता है, जैसे क्रमशः खोला जाता है, किताबों की दुकान की बात चल रही थी, किताबों के शॉप्स खोले जाएंगे, तो आपको किताब भी अवेलेबल हो जाएगी. अभी तो आपको अल्टरनेटिव ई पाठशाला पे सारी किताबें अवेलेबल है और सारे स्कूल उस पे चल रहे हैं. दैट इज व्हाई दिस गाइडलाइन हैज बीन गिवन.
जी, so I think Major Harsh has put it beautifully. उन्होंने कहा NCERT ही बहुत बढ़िया एक प्लेटफॉर्म है, बहुत बढ़िया प्लेटफॉर्म है NCERT का, which is a huge resource for online books and different technologies for the teachers, for the students to be able to continue with the online education. We have a participant here. His name is Zonish. वो कुछ पूछना चाह रहे हैं. I request, yes, please, आप पूछिए कि आपका क्वेश्चन किसकी तरफ डायरेक्टेड है, उनका नाम जरूर बताइएगा. एक्सपर्ट का. Yes, please.
Good evening, everyone. My question to Indra Kohli ma'am. Ma'am, my question is that should the lockdown open gradually in respect to education, or should it open altogether and completely?
It should open gradually because it is going to involve the safety and security for all the children. And beginning, in my point of view, should be from the senior school. And gradually come down to the middle and the primary, and last is the pre-primary children.
Thank you, ma'am.
So which group are you looking forward to? Do you want the schools to open all together? Are you missing your friends?
Ma'am, not exactly, because we can chat using WhatsApp and calls, but yeah, the face-to-face conversation and the calls, there is a big difference between them.
Yeah, it's going to open.
बिल्कुल. I think wonderfully well done, Donish and Indraji. आपने बहुत अच्छे से उसको the whole idea of connecting with friends, and you'll be surprised, and I'm sure you'll be knowing children are so innovative and so resilient. They have come up with new games. बिस्तरे को उन्होंने टीटी टेबल बनाया हुआ, हाथ से बैट और एक बॉल बनाई है बाकायदा, and they are playing TT on the bed, on the double bed. So yes, here we are. More and more people, some of them of course are listening to us, so a little reluctant maybe, but never mind. We request you all at Fairgaze to give in your feedback on hashtag Fair Talks. Hashtag Fair Talks. Do give in your feedback, your pointers, your point of view. Everything is going to be appreciated and be shared on our portal, which is hashtag Fairgaze. We are here. We are live on Facebook, which is on the Fairgaze portal. We are streaming live even now. So while we are warming up to the ideas, I still feel that one more question again has come up. And the important part is कि ये जो टेक्नोलॉजिकल हम एजुकेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, इसमें क्रिएटिविटी कम होती है या बढ़ती है? Does that augment? Does it help increase creativity, or does it restrict us to become robot-like? Indraji, could you answer this, or anybody? I mean, Balvinderji, anybody who would consider this?
I would say, Madhumati ji, that it increases creativity. Now you ask me why? Because we have interdisciplinary kind of subjects, and experiential learning with the children. So children are working at their own pace as well as their own space. So there is no kind of a regimental time for them or a period for them that you have to do this. So they are at ease, at their own leisure. They can download, they can see. So I feel that creativity certainly increases with it.
Wonderful. Certainly creativity increases. So जो critics हैं सोचें कि भाई कैसे होगा? नहीं. There is a lot of creativity that is happening. We have another person who is wanting to ask. I request you to please unmute him. Gurmeet Singh ji. Gurmeet Singh is with us. He's joined us. Can you hear Gurmeet?
Hello, ma'am. I am Gurmeet Kaur, and my question is.
Hi,
okay.
Gurmeet, yes, question.
Okay. Okay. So, good evening, all of you. My question is from Balvinder, sir. First of all, very happy birthday to Balvinder, sir. And my question is, sir, how to manage the stress of the student after the lockdown?
See, what is stress? First of all, we should understand what is stress. Stress is a situation or a mindset or a state of mind when we don't have a solution. जब हमें किसी भी प्रॉब्लम का solution हमारे पास नहीं होता है, और if we don't have, if we are somewhere hanged up in the bottleneck, that is stress. So we have to find out the solution for every problem. So if you have a solution, then there will be no stress. Now, lockdown, the biggest stress is that how to protect ourselves from this epidemic, corona. This is the first stress. Second stress is that we are at home all the time. We are in between the four walls. So that is making us depressive. Thirdly, maybe children, they are having a stress of completion of the syllabus, and then they may have stress of pending examination. So it is, see, you have to train your mind. Once you will train your mind, once your mind will know how to generate the answers of the difficult questions, stress will vanish.
Thank you, sir.
Great. I think thank you Gurmeet.
Thank you.
We did not know Balwinder ji आज आपका birthday है. So thanks to Gurmeet to tell us. Wish you a very very happy birthday. May
Thank you,
God
ma'am. Thank
Almighty
you.
give you a beautiful healthy life ahead. आज Mother's Day भी है तो लगता है आज घर में आपके celebrations ही हो रहे होंगे.
Yeah.
That is wonderful. What a great opportune moment that we are all here together sharing the new normal. और आप हमारे एक expert होने के नाते you're sharing and telling us so much. Balwinder ji, एक और question आ रहा है. One of the viewers are asking us. And what he's saying is, I think pretty much what we've answered, but I think maybe he needs more clarification. जिन बच्चों के पास टेक्स्ट बुक्स नहीं है और वो टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तो वो किस तरह से पढ़ाई करें?
जैसे हमें मेजर सर ने बताया, मेजर हर्ष जी ने, सेक्रेटरी एनसीईआरटी सर ने हमें अभी अपडेट किया है कि देयर आर abundant resources available on NCERT site, CBSE site, and on private sites also.
Perfect.
And even the complete course books are available on the private publishers' websites also. So I think it is not difficult now to get content. We have vast ocean of content. Yeah.
Absolutely. बलविंदर जी ने फिर रिपीट किया है जो हर्ष जी पहले बोल चुके हैं, which is that NCERT is a fabulous platform to get more information of how to go forward in terms of technology and in terms of e-books. एक और क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, वो पूछ रहे हैं कि कुछ बच्चों के पास टेक्नोलॉजी ही नहीं है. They may not be having internet access, they may not be having an iPhone or an iPad or a desktop. तो उन बच्चों के लिए आप क्या कहेंगे? What would you like to say?
मुझे अपने पुराने दिन याद आते हैं
जी.
मुझे अपने पुराने दिन याद आते हैं जब पूरी गली में, पूरे मोहल्ले में एक टीवी हुआ करता था. And we used to watch the feature film in that very particular home. हम उसी घर में जाके रामायण भी देखते थे, फीचर फिल्म भी देखते थे और चित्रहार आया करता था तो वो देखते थे. तो टुडेज सिनेरियो, अगर हमारे एक घर में इंटरनेट नहीं है तो बगल वाले के घर में है. एंड देयर इज पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ हॉटस्पॉट आल्सो. हम दूसरे से उधार इंटरनेट ले लें. अगर कुछ भी ना हो तो हम अपने पड़ोसी की वी कैन टेक हेल्प ऑफ आवर नेबरहुड.
जी बिल्कुल.
डिफिकल्ट, आई थिंक ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
एब्सोल्युटली. बलविंदर जी की मैं बात बिल्कुल सहमत हूं. In fact, just last week in the Times of India, it did come out that more than 10% of rural India, 10% more usage is there in rural India, children between the age of 5 and 11, which means कि बच्चों का जो reach है या जो the internet reach is very wide in India, and perhaps internet is perhaps the cheapest in our country, if I'm not wrong. So yes, I think the whole idea is to utilize the opportunity instead of getting distressed. So we are in the process of summing it all up. और बस वो एक last question हम कहते हैं, we sum it and we put it together and we say cherry on the cake. So final verdict की बात आती है, final verdict. और वो final verdict होता है जो हमारे दिल से आती है और जो हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा मुल्क और हमारा कंट्री उस चीज को एग्जीक्यूट करे. So I'll start with Indra ji. What is your final verdict for the COVID-19 and the new education system and the new normal? Indra ji.
I would say never say die, keep going on, and I'm sure we're all going to be very, very successful. With whatever facilities, opportunities we have, make the most of what we have.
Wonderful. Make the most of what we have is what Indra ji is saying to us all viewers. Instead of getting hassled, let us see at one, it could be a hotspot, it could be finding out from your neighbor. Again, through the phone calls, we are all in lockdown free. So let us respect the lockdown and look at technology in our favor. Ji, Harsh ji, what is your final verdict for this new normal, which is in education in COVID-19? Major Harsh.
Never say die approach.
Never say.
I said that never say die approach, it is survival for the fittest, and we are fittest, that we have proved. And to the entire world, I have said this again and again. You see that how we have coped up यू सी द पीपल, जीने की जिजीविशा देखिए आप कि लोग पैदल चल पड़े 700-800 किलोमीटर। और आप हमारे इतने बड़े देश में देखिए कि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और हमारे पास संसाधनों की कमी है, लेकिन उसके बाद भी पूरा देश, लोगों ने अपनी जमीनें दान दे दी, लोगों ने अपनी पेंशन दान दे दी और तब भी लोगों की हेल्प करी। पूरा देश निकल के सामने आ गया। तो ये आप सोचिए कि इतने महान देश में आप रह रहे हैं जो हमारी, मेरा एक कहना बहुत इसमें मैं सोचता हूँ कि आपके समिंग अप में कि आप हमारे संस्कारों को समझे, हमारे पुराने जितने भी इस समय बहुत अच्छा है कि घर में बड़े जो है अपने संस्कारों के बारे में बच्चों को बताएं। अभी इतना सीरियल्स शुरू हुए, रामायण, महाभारत, और ये किसी एक पूजा पद्धति के लिए नहीं है। अगर आप रामायण के एक-एक एपिसोड को देखेंगे उसमें कितनी लर्निंग थी। तो हमारे संस्कारों के बारे में, हमारे इतिहास के बारे में समझें भारतवर्ष के, और आगे लड़ने के लिए हमें उससे बहुत शक्ति मिलेगी। और रिसोर्सेज को ढूंढें, ऑल्टरनेटिव्स को ढूंढें। जैसे बताया कि आप हॉटस्पॉट ले सकते हैं, उसके साथ आप स्कूल से मैसेजेस, स्मार्टफोन ना हो, नॉर्मल फोन तो आजकल सभी लोगों के पास है, तो नॉर्मल फोन से आप मैसेज कर सकते हैं। और मटेरियल कैन बी मेड अवेलेबल बाय द स्कूल। वो एक दिन बुलाया जा सकता है, लोग एसेंशियल काम दवा लेने के लिए निकलते हैं, तो स्कूल अपने जो आसपास का वो स्कूल ना करे तो कोई वहां का जो लोकल स्कूल हो, जो उस एरिया के आसपास हो, वो एक अल्टरनेटिव बन सकता है। तो इसलिए अल्टरनेटिव हमारे पास बहुत है। हमें जीने की आस नहीं छोड़नी है, हमें अपने आप को स्ट्रांग रखना है। और एक और आपको इंफॉर्मेशन बताऊं कि एनसीईआरटी के द्वारा एक कोर्स चलाया जाता है गाइडिंग एंड काउंसलिंग का, आपको पता होगा मैम।
जी
तो
बिल्कुल।
उस कोर्स उसके लिए पूरे लिस्ट अवेलेबल कराई गई है वहां पे कि पूरे भारतवर्ष में जितने भी हमारे काउंसलर्स हैं, उनका
जी
फोन नंबर और उनका ईमेल आईडी, जो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट आप उनसे गाइडेंस भी ले सकते हैं। तो
जी, ये
इसलिए आप
कहाँ कहाँ
बिल्कुल जीने
अवेलेबल
की
है
आस
जी
न छोड़ें,
मेजर हर्ष? वेयर इज दिस
लड़ने का
अवेलेबल?
मादा रखें। एंड
जी
वी आर गोइंग टू विन, वी आर गोइंग टू विन।
yes, I think wonderful. I think the government and everybody is doing their 101 and more. Modi ji started the tech savvy, world. Really, we were exposed to, and we are all in that. Now we have Anandita. Anandita is with us. She
Hello.
would like to ask questions. We on to the panelists. अपना question पूछिए Anandita. और किससे मुखातिब हैं आप?
Yes, to Balvendra sir. So as you said that hotspot is available in the neighborhood and all those people who can give us, but if that child, underprivileged child, doesn't have a laptop or a smartphone, so how will they do it?
As we were discussing, and Major Harsh also many times he has replied to this question. तो उसमें अभी सर ने बताया कि even if you have a simple phone, you simply call your school office, you call your principal, you call your teacher that I need some resource, right? 100% decisively that school will provide you the resource. If your school is not providing, you call any school, you call any teacher, you call any principal, they will help you, right? So it's not a
Right.
big challenge, big deal
Yes.
now.
Great. Wonderful. I think Anandita has put it nicely. We have another participant who would like to ask, and her name is Taruna. Taruna. Please unmute Taruna. Taruna, please go ahead and ask our panelists who would you like to ask, और आपका question क्या है पूछिए Taruna.
Hello.
Yes, Taruna. Yes.
Am I audible to everybody? First of all,
Yes.
I would like to wish everybody a very good evening. My question, especially to Indra ma'am and Balwinder sir, is how do you see the role of institutions changing vis-a-vis the new normal of blending physical classroom learning and online learning? Is my question clear to?
Yes. See, already it was blended. If we go back 5 years, the smart classes, digital classrooms were a part of instruction. It was a part of a formal setup. But now, because of this pandemic, it becomes the only solution. So in future also, technology will play a major role, and hopefully every teacher, every educationist and school institution will, involve and get evolved with the help of technology. So it will be a wonderful package altogether.
Balwinder has said it all, that it's a fact that schools are have already moved towards smart classrooms and smart teaching. So I'm very sure that it's going to be a blended learning with technology now.
Yes, wonderful. I think we are all very, very optimistic here, and it is looking at how our panelists, the educationists who are the helping in the policy making, they are the front runners. They are setting a pace for us. Indra ji is here, Major Harsh is here, Balwinder ji is here, and we had our BJP MP also who was here, Pachauri Saab, who was on our Fair Gaze platform to inform us that technology is here to stay for our benefit, for our welfare. So in all this optimism on behalf of Fair Gaze, we tahe dil se aap panelists ka, aap participants ka बहुत shukriya. You all have made this happen. Let us put together our energies and create the new normal. आज Mother's Day भी है और Sunday आप सब ने अपना time निकाला, so that we feel more up and about, like you said, chin up, and let's be optimistic. One more time, thank you, Indra ji, Major Harsh, thank you, Balwinder ji. It has been a truly delight that you have come onto our Fair Gaze, exercise and portal. Hope to see you all again very soon. And thank you very much. We'll be ending this meeting in about exactly 5 seconds from now. Thank you very much. Namaskar and Jai Hind.
Thanks to Fair Gaze and Madhumati.
Yes, thank you to all of you.
Thanks to Major sir.
Wishing you a very happy birthday.
Thank you, ma'am. Your blessings, ma'am.
आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत-बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Let's be safe. Let's keep social distancing, the mask, and regular hand washing. Let it be part of our life forever and ever. Thank you. God bless all of us. Jai Hind.
Madhumati ji.
Namaskar.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.